So this crop top is loose on you and you don't have time, you're running late, can't get it fixed. So here's a quick fix using safety pins. See how the hooks go in the loop here? We will be creating another loop wherever you want this to fit now. So say for example, right now this is where I want it to fit rather than here. So what I'm going to do is add these clips inside here and then hook it onto the pin. And this is how I'm going to do it.
I'm just going to do it approximate. You can take a bigger loop like that, so 2 or 3 hooks can go in one. Same way you can put depending on how many hooks there are on the crop top. Just quickly pin it.
And then insert these hooks on those pins. So this is how I'm going to hook it right onto the safety pin like that. So depending on how many hooks you have, you would need and make the loops accordingly, so it's now more fitting.